Today we are going to see about the combinational circuit. We all know that logic circuit for the digital system may be combinational or sequential. A combinational circuit consists of input variables, logic gates and output variable. Then for analyze procedure, we have to label the output functions and also the input functions. This is the example of combinational circuit. We have inputs and outputs. The output functions are F1 and F2. The input for input we are using AND gate and OR gates. This is the truth table of for previous example circuits. For design procedure we need input for design procedure. First we know that the truth table. For example, we are considering BCD to XS3 code conversions. Here the input is BCD, the output is XS3 code. And the output functions are WXYZ, input functions are ABCD. And then we are using corner map for reducing for each output functions. Then we are ready from the reduced expressions we are constructing the logic diagram for binary adder and for binary adder and subtractor. um, we the for this is the this slide indicates the binary adder and subtractor. For for 2-bit binary adder, it is called half adder. It has two input x and y and two output sum and carry. The expressions for sum is x bar y plus xy bar, and carry is equal to xy. This here we are implementing half adder with the AND gate and OR gate, and also we are implementing with the exclusive OR gate and AND gate. This is the truth table of full adder. A full adder has three input x, y, z and two output sum and carry. So that we are reducing the Boolean expressions for sum and carry. For full adder, we are implementing full adder with AND gate and OR gate. This is another example of full adder. Full adder, that is we are constructing logic diagram with another way. For binary adder, we are using 4 full adder. So that is for 4-bit adder, we are using 4 full adder. That is for carry propagations. For carry propagation delay is produced in the adder circuits. Carry here this is full adder with um, propagation delays are produced. These are the expressions for look ahead adder. This is the logic diagram of carry look ahead generator. This one. This is the 4-bit adder with carry look ahead. This diagram indicates the 4-bit adder and subtractor. This is the truth table. This indicates the truth table of decimal adder. Here we are constructing the rules of BCD adder. Then we are implementing the BCD adder. This is logic. This is the logic diagram for binary multiplier. Here the mounted comparator is also a example of combinational circuit. We are using 2-bit. We have the different types of mounted comparators, such as 2-bit, 3-bit, and 4-bit comparators. And also decoder is also an example of um, combinational circuit. Here for example, 3 to 8 line decoder, 3 input lines are used and 8 output lines are used. This is the implementations table of decoder. Here the inputs are X, Y, Z and outputs are D0 to D7. For input 111, we got the output 1 in D7. And then we draw the logic diagram with the enable input for decoder. Here the enable input may be 0 or 1. Then the another example of combinational circuit is a demultiplexer. It is also called a data distributor. That is, one output line is selected from the selection line. Depending upon the selection line, one output line is selected. That is that we are implementing 4 to 16 decoder with 3 to 8 decoder. Implementations of this the one example of implementation of full adder with a decoder. Here the sum and carry expressions are given. Then for these two expressions, we are implementing this expression with for decoder. The encoder is the inverse operations of a decoder. The expression is given, and the truth table of octal to binary encoder is also given. Another example is priority encoder. Here the four input priority encoder is given.